Afternoon, milady.
Where have you been?
Avoiding my dad.
Oh no, what happened now?
Oh, you're gonna love this.
You're the pride of Bergson, and I couldn't be prouder.
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
Just did.
On the verge of getting it all, run back to the top. Now I'm Mr. Charisma, fucking